Let's go, Rex. What? Cha.
Hi everybody. Listen, I'm not for no more than play music and just live life, enjoy myself. Alright, what's up guys? How are you doing? Welcome to Daily Vitamin D. It's your girl D here. Hold on, man. Okay. So today I have a bunch of topics to talk about. Well, I'm not gonna really talk about, I'm just gonna show you the videos. So excuse me. So the first topic is I'll just scam them a mobile. I don't know what's going on with them, but apparently everybody knows Jamaica, they know for the scammers them. They are known, especially mobile people. The chopper them out and stunts in Jamaica. So apparently them other man, I tell them a new way how to make money, how to increase their profits in the scamming. So if you used to make 100 grand, you can make up to 100 million right now, because some youth them don't bid. The other man tell them say don't bid for 2 weeks. And the new thing now is, I guess because the monkey in that yard for sex. So them other man tell themselves for a sexy dog. So they just put one clip up where this popular youth from first the only think of Mobile, what is not Mobile, is Trelawney the youth come from. So I'm gonna put it over there. I'm gonna watch it and let me know what I think, alright?
After me go do some digging and investigation, I want me link from Mobile tell me what I want. You see the top chopper, when we no see, me post the video saying
I fuck me dog.
the mongrel dog, the dog when no too long of puppy, that the dog there. A man a said, what you do to me career progress? And a Mobile dog come from a D side, and D side a Trelawney. So me stand corrected, cause my dog say, watch on man, a D side the general come from, man.
Top chopper got caught on camera fucking a dog. On social media, a video of a man allegedly a top scammer from Montego Bay, Jamaica, grinding a dog has gone viral. A CCTV camera captured the man grinding his neighbor's mongrel dog in the middle of the night in their yard. Residents in the neighborhood claim that the man is a well-known Mobe con artist. He doesn't have a mental illness. They said that, maybe someone obeyed him and we don't know. As the social media footage got viral, he left the neighborhood. Since then, neither his friends nor family members have heard from him.
Wanna see the video? Wanna see the video with the man a sexy dog, right? Yuck. Alright, so next topic now, why them go kill Ms Grippy? Or should I say Mr. Grippy? So there's been a some guy, I guess him did popular on social media, but him always attack about Ms Grippy, Ms Grip, Ms Grip. So I turned out him gay, but anyway. Them kill him, them shoot him in the car. He was actually on the phone when them kill him. And it kind of touched me because me say, oh, what is life? And you see how people bad man as soon as they get little popularity. Yeah, sometimes you might say little things, but words, it's just words. Which, then again, it's been proven time and time again that words are not just words. So, condolences to Mr. Grippy and condolences to his family, to his friends, to his loved ones, everybody who did have love for him on social media. Condolences to him. Alright, so I found this other video where somebody was just commentary. Them always a mash up the civil servants in Jamaica. Why you can't give them a compliment sometimes? Sometimes, if the police is social them, sometimes you don't need to just show little appreciation, right? I don't know who know the story when they said that this guy was driving home, because you know taxi man always have block up the road and them drive bad. Them have a reputation in Jamaica. So somebody it's a story passed down from the parents days still now. So the story goes, so the driver was going on his way where he was working. So the fire truck was beeping him, like hanging him, get out of the way, because you know when you see emergency vehicle, you're supposed to move, go to the shoulder. Apparently this taxi man did not, and all the fireman them blow him. Turns out a theme house that burned down. It was his house that was on fire. And by the time him get the news, and him said, Sean, look how him block up the fire truck. Is this story true? I don't know, but it's a little favor. So as I segue over this video with the firefighters, somebody are laughing and say, yo, why the firefighters them always come when them can't save nothing? They always come late, or they don't have any water, or the truck now work, or whatever it is. Firefighters, they get a bad, but they really try. They stay low key. I never hear them bad like that about the firefighters. And like police and soldier, where their reputation stink. But anyway, watch the clip and tell me what you think. It look a bit funny still. It look a bit funny.
Why Jamaica fireman them? All the while they never can save nothing yet. All they can do a cool down. But clap them feet first still. Then save and tile it right there, so see there? Wait till they carry them far.
Alright, so I have a next video. What I'm gonna put in. Alright, so I found a next funny video where the car, listen, no explanation, just watch it. Just watch it. All the car are drift. Everybody with the trend with past social media with the car are drift. Well, not the car. Everybody at the dance with them drift. They can't dance. So don't ask me for do it. Watch it.
Only in Jamaica.
Drift.
Alright guys, so that's all I have for today. If you guys have any suggestions, feel free to send me something or comment below. Remember to like the video and share it, subscribe, the usual.